So let's talk about whistle screams. So basically, this technique was started, by Beyond Deviation, but it's basically Fred Nihilist, and I use it. A lot of bands use it, Shrine of Malice, and basically, the trick to doing it is to like learn how to do fry screaming. So fry screaming is basically where you just like use a head voice instead of like using the false chord. So for example, this is false chord. And this is fry screaming. So basically, with fry screaming, how that you do it with a whistle tone is you basically have to do an ah sound. So with like the vowels, the a, e, I, o, u. So you basically do like the vowels where it's like a, and ah, because the ah basically like opens the vocal cords to like have that more sustained sound. So it sounds literally like nails on a chalkboard. So this is how it sounds.